Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to integrate Java with BPM with a simple example. So open Eclipse and just create a simple Java project. Go to new Java project and provide a name to your project. That shall be anything you can give. Java integration, let's say. Okay, Java integration demo. And make sure you choose the Java version as 1.6, because if you select any other version, you may run into an issue while running the process flow from the BPM itself. So 1.6 is the most compatible version, so make sure you choose Java 1.6 into this. Next and finish. So we have got our project created, Java integration demo. Into this, create a simple class. Let's provide a package name. Okay, and into the name, let's provide, let's create a class as employee data. So we don't need public static void main method into this, because because the main method whatever the main method does, that will be done from the BPM itself, so you don't need the main method separately. So along with the package name, the class has been created, and into the class now you just need to specify the fields. Let's create some very basic fields, variables. And after specifying these variables, create the getters and setters. I will go to source, right click, go to source, and generate getters and setters. Select all, generate. So all the getters and setters are have been created now. Now let's create one more class. So we'll name this as employee service. And into this class, uh, let's specify the method. Let's create an object of this, and give the input parameter as employee ID. And we will create an object of this class. Set emp id. This setter we have already created. And set name. Let's provide the name here. Mobile number. And city. What is it saying here? Right, to add a return state. Fine. So now it's not showing any error. So that's it. We just have to create a normal class with all the fields, employee data, and we have created a employee service. We have created an object specifying the values, and it is returning the employee data, the object data itself. That's it. Just save it and let's export as jar file. You can select the location where you want to save this. Provide a name. The save type will be .jar. Save, finish. Now the jar file has been created. Now go to BPM. Now go to files, and you will have to upload that jar file onto BPM by using the server file option. Select the location. Where is it? So this is the file, Java integration demo. You have selected it, click on finish, and now it has been uploaded. It is now available on the server. Now go to services, create an external service. Okay, so into this we have the first option, that for Java REST or web services. So let it be that, and in this drop down just select Java service from server file. You can choose whatever option you have to implement. So we are going with this Java service from server file, and into manage file select the jar file we have uploaded. So our jar file was Java integration demo, right? So in then you will have to select the Java class. So basically our object has been created into employee service into this class, right? So we will select this one, click on finish. You can see here get employee data has been created. There one parameter will be needed as input, and it will provide an output as well. So now go to services and let's create an service flow. Okay, so oh, demo service, let's call it demo service. Finish. Into this drag an service element, service activity. Let's connect it. Give a name, Java integration with BPM. And here in the implementation you will have to select the name of the class, the one which we have created. So it is employee service. Into the operation it will show the name get employee. So yes, it's done. Then go to variables, create an variable. So we'll be providing the employee ID as the variable. Keep the variable type as string only, and into output we'll create employee data and select the variable type as XML element. Show all business object XML element. Save the work. And yeah, one more thing, in the employee ID we'll have to uh, mm, provide a value, default value, right? So just a second, it is showing a string. Oh, not string, right? Because the employee ID we have created as integer here. So into BPM also we'll have to select the variable type as integer, right? Now it is showing in numbers, right? So let's provide any number. So 1 2 3, and now debug this one. Hopefully this will run. So open the data. Here you can see the employee ID, which is integer, has been passed as 1 2 3. It will go to next. So what happened here? Exception occurred. Java Universal demo task. Argument type mismatch. Argument. Oh, we haven't specified the variables, right? So we have created the variables, didn't map them. Let's run it again. Now, okay, so it is running correctly. Let's see what is the, we have got the output, and this is the input we had provided 1 2 3 as employee ID, and we can see we have got the data, city Bombay, mobile number, and name John. So that's it. I hope you understood how to do Java integration with BPM.